In this video, we'll show you how to change the relay duration. This lets you adjust how long the relay trigger time should be. It's useful for things such as turnstiles to make sure they only open once per badge swipe. Drop down Hardware and select the Presets menu. Go to the Reader Presets tab. Either select an existing preset to edit, or click New to create a new preset. In this video we will create a new preset for turnstiles. Give your new preset a unique identifiable name. Under Copy Of, select the default reader to copy the base configurations for your new preset. Save your settings at the bottom of the page. You will now be presented with the Reader Preset configuration page. Here you can edit the reader preset to your unique requirements. Select the Actions tab. Use the search field to navigate to the action you wish to edit. Then click on the action. Navigate the wizard to adjust the relay action settings. Under the Details section, you can edit the relay timer. By default this is set to 4 seconds. We will change this value to 1 second. This means the door relay will trigger for 1 second upon successful presentation of your credential. Select the next option. Click on Assign to save your changes. To assign your new preset to a reader, click on the Hardware menu. Then the Readers tab. Select the reader you want to assign to the preset. Select the Reader's preset menu and from the drop-down select your new reader preset. Save the changes at the bottom of the page. This reader will now have its relay active for 1 second, whereas the rest of the readers in the default reader profile will stay at 4 seconds. This guide covered editing the relay times in Primo.